Patenyo. Welcome to my video presentation. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a simple Python program.
In this code, small letter A and big letter A are treated as two different variables. The small letter A has the value 10, while the capital letter A stores to ZSPGC. When I print them, we can see that Python recognizes them separately. Easy, right? I hope you get it. Thank you for watching. Bye.